Hello friends, welcome to this channel. We are tracing the resources of the prelims 2026 paper, which is very unexpected. And in this series, first we start from science and technology part. And I personally given 3 attempts of UPSC CSE, and in all my 3 attempts, I used this single source, which proved to be very good return on investment. And in I will show you the proof of the questions. Out of 11, 8 questions are direct hit from this single source. Let's see the questions first, and after that I will tell you about the name of these books. Uh, let's see question first, and after that I will show you the source of these questions. So see this question, friends. Black box question, which is an unexpected questions in modern aircrafts, and this is the area where the question is directly covered. Black box, and the see the first statements: the cockpit voice recorder and the flight data recorder. These two are directly covered in this, and it tells about the black box and its importance. And after that, underwater locator beacon, which is a device that come in contact with water, then it start emitting the frequencies and not the light. So the answer of this question is B. The second question is about stealth technology, and in this the answer is C. And the book page number 360 directly covered the stealth technology, in which it talks about the radar absorbing material and the non-metallic airframe and the transparency to the radar, which give the answer 1 and 2 only. The third question is about the Genome India project. In this, there are two projects: the Human Genome Project, which is started in 1990s, and USA, UK, France, Germany, Japan, China. These are part of this project, and India is not a part of this project. So statement one is wrong, and the other part is Genome India project, which is run by Department of Biotechnology, and it is about tracing the biological diversity of India. In other words, we can say genetic diversity of India. है कि नहीं? ये सही कर रहा हूँ मैं? तो ऐसे ही बनाऊंगा धीरे धीरे भाई, अब एकदम से तो एल ही लग जाएंगे. So, friend, the fourth question is about green hydrogen, and it tells about the options. And in this, the green hydrogen making process is given in this page directly in this infographics, and it tells about it. The green hydrogen, it is made from renewable with the help of renewable energy resources through the water electrolysis. So on that, because the third statement is a current affair based question, and the other two questions are directly covered in this book. So on that basis, the answer is 2 and 3. The fifth question is about features of blockchain technology. In this, the first statement is directly covered is in this infographics as the encrypted information cannot be altered. So the statement is true. The second statement is given in uh, is here decentralization. Blockchain is a decentralized, so there is no need of central authority. So this statement is also true. And the fourth statement is mathematical algorithms, about algorithms. So here how blockchain works is the validation. The network of nodes validate the transaction and the user status using known algorithms. So the answer becomes C, 1, 2 and 4. The sixth question is about defense hardware manufactured in India. In this, there are some pictures which are given in the book. The Akula class submarine, which we have leased from Russia, and it is Russian made submarine. Akula class, it is expected to be join Indian Navy by 2025. So it is not it does not have any defense hardware of India. The second is Sukhoi 30 MKI, which is Russian origin, but India make its own version. So the statement become true. And the third and the second statement, T-90 tank, indigenously they called Bhishma tanks, and Indian scientists have currently produced a customized and improved version of T-90 tanks. So this statement is also become true. So the answer is A. The seventh question is about large language models, and in this it is a subset of natural language processing. And here given is the predictive typing features of LLM, and in this it suggests the predict the next word, and while spell. The seventh question is about the LLM, and it is a part of natural language processing (NLP), and it provide the probability to prediction of next word through the predictive typing feature. And the second is it provide the minimum prediction errors through this, and it is covered in this area of LLM. And the third statement is very generic statement. We know AI is not unbiased wholly, so the answer become B. The eighth question is about the genetic medicine, and in this, the genetic medicine is a subset of gene editing technology, and the CRISPR is the technology, the tool we use for genetic medicine. In this, we use gene editing technology to alter the genetic expressions and change the genome of an organism. And in this, we target a specific stretch of an entire genetic code or DNA from a particular location. And it applied to correct the genetic defects, and preventing or treating a spread of disease or improving the crops. On this way, we can found that the statement 3 is wrong, and the statement 1 and 2 is correct. So the answer is C. At last, I will talk about this book. This is the science technology book by Ravi P. Agrahari sir. It is the 8th edition of 2025, and it is not the latest edition. So it is the proof that these 8 questions are covered in this book before the 2026 prelims, and this is the proof of efficiency of this book in providing a good return on investment. I personally use this book in all my 3 CSE attempts, and you can buy the latest edition of this book from Amazon and Flipkart. And in this series of PYQ sources, the next video is coming soon.